Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios. This is kind of a testimonial for the Tineco, the A11 Hero, the A11 from Tineco. What's great about it? First off, I really like, personal testimonial, that it is cordless. That means I can take it up to the studio, don't have to worry about plugging it in. That's a huge advantage for me. Second, you want to know what else is great? Is that it is lightweight. That means my wife can use it. She's a tiny person. She's 4'9". She's under 100 pounds. She's a tiny little person. And our bigger home vacuum, our upright bristle, is strong. I bought it because it was the most powerful. But I didn't realize it would be too heavy for her to maneuver around the house. So the Tineco is lightweight, handheld, battery recharge, great rechargeable battery, Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, free delivery. That's 8 things right there. It is an incredible vacuum, powerful where it needs to be, no bags, cordless, bagless, great filtering system. It's great for pets. You're gonna wanna pick one up today. You will not be disappointed. This is a fantastic vacuum. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Make sure to check out all my videos, and we try to go through the things we own, go through the things we've had an opportunity to test, and tell you whether or not they're good or not. Order today, you won't be disappointed.